What'd you say?
Cheese.
You want to open up one present?
Yeah.
Just one?
One. Yes.
Which one you want to open?
This one.
Show me.
Wait. This one.
Get it.
Wait. Got it.
That's the one you want to open?
Yes.
Just that one?
Yes.
And no more, okay?
Okay. The real one.
Where you going to open it at?
What this? What do we do?
Hurry up. You got to do it fast.
Wait. Whoa. Huh? What is this? Tina toy. Oh, Tina toy. Tina toy. What? Tina toy, baby. This is one.
You don't like your present?
No, Tina, I want. Tina, the one I want.
That is the one you want.
The one that the toy is disgusting. The one that perfect.
It's disgusting.
Yes. The one too. That's for questions. I don't want questions. Well, I don't want questions.
That's the only present you opening
What?
until Christmas.
Oh, me?
Let me see your present.
Wait.
It's right here.
Oh,
The one you just opened.
that one?
No, the one you just opened.
What? Look.
What is it?
Look.
You don't like it?
Yes.
You like your present?
Yeah. The didn't want God.
Huh?
Didn't want God fever. And just has a good which one to choose. Hey, that one is big. Man can just open it.
You ain't gonna play with your present?
Yeah.
It's right here.
But if we
No, it's right where? Where's that?
we're here.
You opened that on Christmas. You said one present and you grabbed the present you wanted. Here.
No, did not want present.
That is your present. It was wrapped up.
No, did not.
There you go.
No way.
You don't,
Did not.
you don't like that present?
No. Get the what up a bee.
You want to let off you?
Yeah.
Okay, no more presents till Christmas, okay?
Okay.
That's the only present you open. You ain't gonna play with it?
Yeah.
You can play with it.
But they put it into making.
Play with it. Okay, give it to me. That's it, okay?